shredding meat manually can be quite a hassle. It not only requires immense effort but also a lot of time, especially if you are shredding it with a fork or some random kitchen utensil. Thanks to chicken shredders, it's now much easier to quickly shred all types of meat. Regardless of whether you are preparing beef, mutton, or chicken, you can use a reliable chicken shredder to get the job done in minutes. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best chicken shredders on the market for this year. First we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a chicken shredder. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. GARENT HX1 Chicken Shredder. The GARENT meat shredder is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to get more out of their meat. Made of durable, high-temperature resistant nylon, this meat shredder comes equipped with sharp teeth on both its lid and its inner chamber to shred meat quickly and efficiently. Unlike other meat shredders, this product is extremely easy to use. Simply put the meat into the chamber, close the lid, then rotate using the integrated handles several times until you've reached your desired consistency. This meat shredder also features a non-skid base so that it won't slide around while you're working. You can use this efficient utensil to prepare tacos, enchiladas, barbecued pulled pork, or anything else that calls for shredded meat. Best of all, this product is dishwasher safe, so you don't have to deal with messy cleanup either. Pros: high heat resistance, convenient, versatile design, slip-resistant base for added stability, easy to clean and maintain. Cons: doesn't uniformly shred meat. Number 2. FusionBrands ShredMachine Chicken Shredder. If you're tired of using weak, flimsy meat claws, then it's time to get the FusionBrands meat shredder. This pick is constructed from heat-resistant nylon, meaning that you can shred boiled meat with maximum efficiency. Additionally, this meat shredder comprises 2 parts, a lid with integrated handles and plastic teeth and a base. To use it, simply place meat or vegetables in the container, close the lid and rotate it until you get the texture you want. Once you're done, just pop it into the dishwasher for quick cleanup. It couldn't be easier. Unlike other flimsy meat shredders, this product features a non-slip base that adds to its stability and an easy grip handle for comfort and control during use. From tacos and pulled pork to chicken sandwiches and burritos, this versatile kitchen utensil will help you create amazing dishes for your family and friends, and all while saving you time and effort. Pros: rugged, warp-resistant construction. Sharp teeth ensure maximum efficiency. Easy to use. Dishwasher-safe design. Cons: not ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Number 3. Infusion LivingBetterShredder for chicken. Last but not least, the Infusion Living Meat Shredder has been designed to make meat shredding a quick and easy task. Featuring a sturdy design, this meat shredder is capable of shredding different types of meat quickly. Other than that, this shredder has been specially designed to allow juices to stay within the meat, letting you prepare juicy and fresh barbecue, steaks, and more. This product is very easy to use. All you need to do to shred meat is make a few half rotations. The compact design makes it easy to clean and store, and the lightweight materials make it easy to carry and highly portable. Lastly, the non-skid base allows you to shred meat conveniently without having to make adjustments. Pros: easy to use. Comes with a non-skid base. Lightweight and easy to clean. Cons: a little difficult to clean. Number 4. AveFare Chicken Shredder with clear cover. Time saver and amp, visible cover. Thanks to the middle upgraded rotate construction and visible clear cover of the chicken shredder, you could shred the meats in seconds or choose how shredded you want, chicken nugget or shredded chicken. It is also great for shredding pulled pork, beef and other vegetables efficiently. Ergonomic handle and amp, anti-slip base, lets you shred meats without getting burned or melting your tools. The handle is well balanced and textured, ergonomically designed for comfort and smooth operation under heavy use. The anti-slip rubber base ensures a more stable operation when in heavy use. Dishwasher safe and amp, versatile. The fact they can go in the dishwasher and never rust or corrode is awesome, so you don't have to do any scrubbing to get them clean. Besides, we are equipped with the accessories of a brush if you want to clean it manually. Versatile usage for enchiladas, chicken salad, quesadillas, barbecue sandwiches, tacos, casseroles. Pros: premium melt-proof material and AMP, BPA approved. Dishwasher safe and AMP, versatile. Perfect gift box ready and AMP, platinum warranty. Easy to clean. Cons: needs better grip on the bottom. Number 5. FFOK Chicken Shredder Shred Machine. Juice stays with the meat. This convenient meat cutter is a portable, multifunctional kitchen tool that can easily chop food. All you have to do is put the meat into the chamber, close the lid, and then use the integrated handle to rotate it a few times. Just a few half rotations it shreds the meat. ShredMachine is an alternative to using meat claws, which can shorten dinner preparation time with a few simple rotations. Non-skid base, a great addition to any kitchen. This meat shredder tool has a non-skid base that adds extra stability and keeps the shred machine where it belongs during use. The easy grip handles offer added leverage for quick and easy operation. Makes your favorite dishes. Quickly prepare tacos, enchiladas, barbecued pulled pork, buffalo chicken salad, tuna salad, and more with this easy-to-use meat shredder. Makes the perfect barbecue accessories, chicken shredder tool and more. Pros: makes your favorite dishes. Easy cleanup. Value for money. Heat resistance. Cons: pleasantly surprised. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.